बेटा गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा, यहाँ पर yesterday I have explained you how we have to find out the transpose of a matrix. Okay, sum of matrix and transpose and multiplication of the matrices with transpose. Okay, and what are the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now I am just taking the question number 8, okay, of this exercise. You have to verify that a plus a dash. Question number 8 है a equal to, they have given you 1 5 6 7. You have to verify a plus transpose of a is a symmetric matrix or a minus transpose of a is skew symmetric matrix. So first we just I am taking the name B. B is a matrix which is equal to A plus transpose of A. Yani it means we are taking 1 5 6 7 and transpose of A. Transpose of A will be 1 5 6 7. Okay. Now you just add both the matrices. You will get 2 12 11 14. Now we have calculated matrices A and transpose of A matrix. If you do the transpose of this matrix, what will be the answer? We have added 1 1 2 5 or 6, sorry, 11 6 or 5 11 7 7 14. If we do the transpose of this matrix B, transpose of B will be equal to 2 11 11 14, which is equal to matrix B. If transpose of B equal to B, it means it is a symmetric matrix. Yani कि A plus transpose of A is a symmetric matrix, as we have given the name B of this one. Similarly, if we want to find out the C equal to A minus transpose of A, what will be the value of A minus transpose of A? A equal to 1 5 6 7 transpose of A. What will be the value of transpose of A? 1 5 or 6 7. If we subtract here, what will we get? 0 minus 1 1 or 0. Now we do the transpose of this matrix C equal to, which is equal to 0 minus 1 1 0. You can take common also, minus. If you take minus 1 common, so you will get the same matrix, that was the 0 minus 1 1 0. Yani कि this is equal to matrix C. ठीक है, तो यहाँ we have calculated that it is equal to transpose of C, यानी कि C is a matrix A minus A dash, यानी कि which is equal to minus C. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. It means if we want to convert any matrix into symmetric matrix, so we can add the matrix with this transpose, then it becomes a symmetric matrix. If we want to convert into skew symmetric matrix, so we have to subtract with the transpose. ठीक है, we get the skew symmetric matrix. This is the method. ये verify क्या है, इससे हमें एक formula भी पता चल गया. If you want to find out the conversion, we can find out in this way by adding or subtracting. So both ways we can do this one, finding the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In the same way, we have to find out the question number 9, 1 upon 2a plus a dash and 1 upon 2a minus a dash. So you can do yourself, there is no problem. Express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को हमें सम, किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को if you want to convert, तो यही फॉर्मूला you have to use. ठीक है, देखो 1 upon 2 a plus a dash. This will be the symmetric matrix. This is the formula for finding symmetric matrix. Or 1 upon 2 a minus a dash is the formula of finding the skew symmetric matrix. It is symmetric. It is skew symmetric, which is equal to a. मैट्रिक्स हमारे पास एक ही है, a है. उसी के हमने दो पार्ट कर लिए. वन पार्ट इज सिमेट्रिक एंड अनदर पार्ट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो वो कैसे किया हमने, देखो आप देख सकते हो, इजीली आपको क्लियर हो रहा है. ये स्क्यू ऐड करने पे क्या होगा, ऐड करने पे यू विल गेट 1 upon 2 विल बी द एलसीएम. क्या हो जाएगा, a प्लस a डैश और a माइनस a डैश. So it will be equal to a dash cancel, which is equal to a. ठीक है, ये एक ही मैट्रिक्स थी, वही मैट्रिक्स थी. उसके हम दो पार्ट अगर हम करना चाहते हैं तो वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट मैट्रिक्स इनटू टू पार्ट, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर जो आपको दे हैव गिवन यू, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिसेस एज अ सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, जैसे 3 5 गिवन है, तो ये आपको एक मैट्रिक्स गिवन है ए 3 5 1 माइनस 1, ये मैट्रिक्स गिवन है. इसको अगर हमें सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट, तो सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स को अगर नाम भी देना चाहिए, या आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स जो होगी that will be equal to 1 upon 2 a plus a dash. A plus a dash you have to find out 1 minus 1 plus transpose of a 3 5 1 minus 1, as I have done earlier. Now you have to divide also. If you have to add the corresponding element 3 plus 3 6 and divided by 2, you will get 3. 5 plus 1 6, you have to divide 3 by 2. 1 plus 5 6, यानी कि कितना हो गया 3 minus 1 minus 2 divided by minus. It is a symmetric matrix. ठीक है. If you want to convert into symmetric matrix, you have to subtract. This is the formula. This is the formula of symmetric matrix, or this is the formula of skew symmetric matrix. Whenever you want to convert into symmetric or skew symmetric matrix, so you have to add both the matrices for symmetric, and you have to subtract both the matrices. Okay, if you subtract 1 upon 2 3 5 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 5 6 1 minus, if you subtract, what will happen? 3 minus 3 is 0. ठीक है, divided by 2 it will be 0. 5 minus 1 4 divided by 2 it is 2. ठीक है, 5 minus 1 4 1 और divided by 2 it will be 2. 1 minus 5 minus 2 or 1 minus 1 minus 1 it is 0. It is a symmetric matrix. So we have converted a matrix into symmetric as well as into skew symmetric matrix. This method you have to remember how we will solve. ठीक है, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. In 3 by 3 matrix you have to take care of the corresponding element you have to add. Generally, by if you make hurry, then it may make mistake. Otherwise, you do it carefully, it will be a simple. And the corresponding term you will be corresponding element you have to add. So question number 9 and question number 10, it is easy, you can do yourself. Now I'm just considering the question number 11. A and B are the symmetric matrices of the same order. Then AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix होगी या symmetric, you have to give the answer. Just I am doing this question, AB minus B. Question number 11. Suppose this is a matrix, suppose करो C, AB minus BA. ठीक है? It will be symmetric or skew symmetric to define that if transpose if we do, transpose of C is equal to C आता है और transpose of C it is equal to minus C. ठीक है? You have to find out this one. It is symmetric or skew symmetric. So first of all, we are doing transpose of this matrix AB minus BA. Transpose of this matrix will be equal to, देखो हमने we have studied yesterday property of transposing. If there are two matrices which is written in subtraction, transpose of A minus B will be equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. ठीक है? If we are having two matrices in multiplication and we want to find out the transpose of this matrix, the order will be reversed. It will be equal to transpose of B, transpose of A, minus transpose of A or transpose of B. ठीक है? But they have mentioned you A and B are symmetric matrices. A and B are the symmetric matrices. It means transpose of A equal to, it will be equal to A, and transpose of B, it will be equal to matrix B. Then the answer will be BA minus AB. It is BA minus AB. If we take minus comma, then we get AB minus B. AB minus BA, it was the matrix which we have studied earlier, which is equal to minus C. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. So answer first part will be correct. It is a skew symmetric matrix. ठीक है, तो ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, इसको आप जैसे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है वैसे ही आप नोट डाउन करोगे अपनी नोटबुक में, है ना. यू विल नॉट गिव द डायरेक्टली आंसर दिस इज द करेक्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट. You have to explain, you have to give the solution of this problem. ठीक है. In the same way, the 12th है A plus A dash is equal to I antimatrix if the value, find the value of alpha. Okay, now we solve the next part, that is question number 12. ठीक है. इसमें we have used the property A minus B. A minus B का ट्रांसपोज we have studied क्या होता है A minus B transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. ठीक है. और if we do the transpose of AB matrix, we reverse the order, transpose of B or transpose of A. ठीक है. This work we have done yesterday. ठीक है. If you have forgotten, that's why I have revised this one. All property, whatever we have proved, we have used there. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. A is a matrix whose elements are cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Then A plus transpose of A is equal to identity matrix. Then you have to find out the value of alpha. Okay. By using this condition, we have to find out the value of alpha. So A plus transpose of A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus transpose of A cos alpha minus sin alpha or sin alpha cos alpha. If we add both the matrices, we get to cos alpha 0, 0 or 2 cos alpha, which they have given you equal to identity matrix. Identity matrix 1, 0, 0. So corresponding element should be equal. It means 2 cos alpha should be equal to 1. Okay, here we are also getting the same answer, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, but we have to find out the value of alpha. Then we can use this relation, cos alpha is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, this implies alpha की value should be 5 by 3. Because cos 60 कितना होता है? That is equal to 1 upon 2. So with this, we get the answer alpha equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so I have completed your full exercise 1.3. Okay, yesterday I do not have the book, but I have explained you how you can solve yourself also. Okay, remaining questions you will do yourself. Okay, these are very easy. There no need to explain me again. Now I am taking the next exercise, that is you have to find out the inverse. Okay, inverse last year it was reviewed in your syllabus, but actually it is not clear what will be the syllabus. Okay, it is very simple, not very difficult. If you learn this one, it will not be very harmful to you. You can do these matrices. You will study in the graduation classes also. So if you learn this method, it will be helpful in future. Okay, but what we cannot say about what will happen in future in your 12th syllabus. So for elementary row transformation, there are 3 rules. Okay, this is given in your notebook. In your book, just you note down from the book. For finding the inverse of the matrix, there are some operations. There are 3 operations. The interchange of any 2 rows or 2 columns. देखिए इसमें एक चीज तो ये ध्यान रखनी है, जो भी ऑपरेशन अगर हम करते हैं, either we do the all operation through rows or by column. So interchange of any 2 rows or 2 columns we can do. We indicate by this operation by RI to RJ. आप ये छोटी दौड़ की हमें जो है ना कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग करना है, हम सारे ऑपरेशन रो के अकॉर्डिंग ही करेंगे. ठीक है, आप कर सकते हो, है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट वन, you have to use the one type of operation, either row type or column. So second is the multiplication of the element of any row or column by a non-zero number. It means सेकंड वाला कहता है यू वांट टू मल्टीप्लाई, किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर से, फॉर फाइंडिंग द इनवर्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स। थर्ड ऑपरेशन कहता है you can add with multiplying some element के आर जे, मतलब किसी भी रो से मल्टीप्लाई करके एलिमेंट से 2 या 3 से हम किसी भी रो में हम ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। देयर आर 3 ऑपरेशन फॉर फाइंडिंग द इनवर्स, ठीक है, दिस यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर। तो ए बी इज इक्वल टू, देखिए इनवर्स के लिए जरूरी है कि ए बी is equal to, if we get the identity matrix, then A is known as the inverse of B and B is known as the inverse. जैसे you have studied, if AB is equal to, हम क्या होता था 1 हो जाए तो यानी कि 5 into 1/5 का प्रोडक्ट will be 1, so 5 is the inverse of 1/5, 1/5 is the inverse of 5. So two numbers where we have taken in the same way, if two matrices are there, if the product is identity matrix, the A will be the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A. ठीक है, so you can write in this way, B is the inverse of A or A is the inverse of B. Both are the same thing. After that, their theorem है, next theorem है, you have to take care of AB is equal to identity matrix है, तो BA should be also a identity matrix, क्योंकि matrix multiplication should be both the matrices, we should get the same answer, that is identity matrix AB should be equal to BA. It should be commutative. Generally, the matrix multiplication is not commutative. If we get the AB is equal to identity matrix and BA is also identity matrix, then only invert possible. Or we have, if we have suppose करो uniqueness of inverse, यानी कि AB is equal to B identity matrix आ रहा है और there is some another inverse, suppose करो different inverse is also possible, suppose करो C, AC is equal to identity matrix and CA is equal to, it is also identity matrix. So you will get B is equal to C. How it is possible? Suppose करो you are getting here AB is equal to identity matrix. We have AB is equal to identity matrix. If we multiply by AB is equal to, we want to prove that B is equal to, just to start from B, we have to take B is equal to, we want to prove B is equal to C, so we are starting with B. So B into BI, it is also equal to B, because multiplication with identity matrix is equal to B only. In place of I, we can write AC. So B into AC, you can write BA into C. In place of BA, you can write identity matrix. Identity matrix को we multiply by C, we get the answer C. So यानी B is equal to C. If there are two inverse possible of matrix A, so both the inverses will be equal. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि दो इन्वर्स हो जाए, अगर इन्वर्स होंगे तो वो एक ही होगा, एक मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स वो एक ही पॉसिबल है, दो इन्वर्स पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमने ये बताया, अब चीज और बता देते हैं अभी। ठीक है, इसको दोबारा बताने की जरूरत है, तो देखो बी से हमने वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद बी, वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई बी आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ठीक है. In place of I we have written AC matrix. If we are multiplying by AC, so we can multiply BA into C. In place of BA we are writing I into C is equal to C. तो B इक्वल टू कितना हो गया, ये C हो गया. ठीक है. तो B इक्वल टू C है. दैट इज द बोथ द इनवर्स आर इक्वल ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A. Now, as we have studied in the transpose, in the same way, we have AB inverse is equal to, you have to remember that one, AB inverse equal to, it is equal to B inverse A inverse. Order gets reversed. AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. So we want to prove this one. So we know that any matrix if we take, suppose we are taking AB matrix, here we are taking AB inverse. It is a matrix of inverse of matrix AB. It should be equal to INT matrix. This is the definition of the inverse. If we multiply by A into A inverse, it should be equal to INT matrix. ठीक है. Now we are multiplying by A inverse, pre-multiplying by A inverse. If we multiply by A inverse, here AB inverse equal to A inverse INT matrix. So A inverse A we can take separately B AB inverse, it is equal to A inverse. Now we are getting A inverse A is equal to INT matrix, I into B, AB inverse equal to A inverse. It is equal to B, AB inverse equal to A inverse. देखो, as we are multiplying here, हमने we are multiplying pre-multiplying, मतलब starting में we are multiplying by A inverse. So here also we have multiplied in the bill. Similar way we have to multiply. Now we are multiplying by B inverse here. B equal to क्या हो जाएगा? That is equal to INT matrix. AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Which means if we are multiplying by INT matrix, AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. So inverse, if we are doing the inverse of a matrix, it gets the reverse result. Okay, as we have done in transpose. So you have to just remember this one. It is not necessary you have to learn the proof. It is very simple, but it is not required for exam purpose. Just I have explained you. You have to just remember this relation. AB inverse is equal to B inverse and A inverse. So you have to write the operation for finding the inverse and do the exercise, complete exercise 1.3.3. This is your homework. Okay, thank you very much.